take forever for me to like start this computer up. Just
Wow, I just get this. And Aces are nice.
$350.
Really?
Turn it up there.
So cheap, eh? It's like commercial for that.
Nothing.
Turn it up.
Now and then I think of when we were together. Like when you said you felt so happy you could die.
Don't, Zach, no.
Told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. But that was love enough to make us still remember.
Just try to get it out.
Well, he does that one high note. He does.
He doesn't. Yeah.
To a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end,
Wait for it.
always the end. So when we found we could not make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends, but I'll admit that I was glad that was over.
And then it goes back to the other part of the song and he like kind of stops.
Build up. It just quiets down.
Now there's nothing.
Yeah. What is
And then he'll literally kick it back up when it starts again.
The tone of the guy's voice or something.
It's something in the voice, or like either they have like a dog whistle or something in the song.
The
No one else can hear it. Somebody's probably just going. It's hilarious to see a dog park and all the dogs just are like.
Every word you say, you said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody that you used to know.